How to delete IMO group. Want to delete a group chat? This guide shows you how to delete an IMO group so you can clear up your chat list. First, open the group chat that you want to delete. At the top of the chat, you'll see the group's name. Tap on it to open the group settings. You'll see a few options like adding members, muting the chat, and more. In the group settings, you'll find the delete and leave the group option. Tap on it to delete the group. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to delete the group. Tap on delete and to confirm. You can also remove the group members and then leave the group, which will automatically delete the group, just like this. Deleting a group will remove it from a chat list and you'll no longer receive any messages or notifications from that group. However, other members of the group will still be able to see the chat history and continue the conversation. So if you want to delete the group for everyone, you need to ask everyone to leave the group. You now know how to delete an IMO group. Get ready to clear up your chat list. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.